ice falling. It's warm out here, so it's melting. Oh, look at that one. Whoa, look at that one. It's falling all over the place. Whoa, look at that one. Oh, you're big. See? Doggies, you better stay in. Oh, one hit the birdhouse. Oh, another one hit the birdhouse. Birdhouse is down here. They're melting really fast. Oh, goodness. But don't hit me. It's such an ugly backyard. It's got all set up where the dogs can't dig. Oh, one hit. Oh, what was the size of that one? One hit my roof and it was huge. Oh, well, I'm glad I'm in the house. Making noise. Be careful, Brighton. Careful. Brighton's going to eat one. Woo! It was really coming down hard. Dang. It's coming from all directions. A little bit from the north, and west. Well, the weatherman was right. He said there'd be hail. And it came extra shower. But he said it would. And I was going to be getting off work. I don't know what time it is, but... Geez. Body shops can be making some money. Doggies, you be careful. Rocks flying from the sky. Look like bird eggs. Okay, it's slowing down. Hi. What a mess. Better go back in.